Hello Hooktubers, this is the fastest USB powered soldering iron, and on package says that can heat up in less than 15 seconds, cooling down in 30 seconds and special function. Now let's open and test this soldering iron. In package you can find USB to 3.5mm jack cable, soldering tin and small holder for the iron, and the soldering iron itself. You can plug the soldering iron in whatever outlet that give 5 volts, power bank, phone charger or computer. Using stopwatch we measure the time and I'm surprised, in less than 13 seconds the iron is ready for working. Pretty fast. The soldering iron have auto power off function after 25 seconds, and if you want to wake it up, just touch the metal button. And after 45 seconds the iron is cooled down completely. If you want to check the soldering iron, I will put link in description below. With this coupon code you can have it for $5.99. Also, I'm giving away one soldering iron to some of my Hooktubers. And to enter the giveaway, just like this video and comment below what next you want to see on my channel. Now, the winners for 10-second sound recorders are all the winners should send me an email. Thanks for watching, subscribe and visit my channel page.